Hi, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a working tornado siren for Minecraft role playing, I guess. So you just turn it on like that, and then makes a really annoying noise. So I'm just going to build one over here. And so what you're gonna need is iron and what is it? That note block, and then like the rod blaze thing. Oh, there it is. And then you're going to need a redstone torch, and then redstone. Yeah, so you just get that. And then you're going to get a lever. So yeah, that's all you need. And then we can just start building one over here. So you're going to go 6 blocks high. And then you're going to place blocks around it till it's a complete square. So just add 3 more there. And then, so wait. So you're going to break the middle. And then you can put redstone in the middle of it. Yay, there's redstone in there. And then you're going to put some redstone torches on the other side also, like that. And then you put your lever right there, so you can turn it on and off. And then you put your note block there. And then, you put these on 4 corners, just for like a little bit of looks of it. And then you start, building around. Wait, I forgot something. So you can tap how high you want it to be when you press the lever. So I want it that high. That's good. So I'm just going to build around it, leaving a little top open so that it can still make that noise. So then I'm going to do it. I need redstone there. Wait. Oh, I'm going to need it on the torch side. So put redstone on the torch side like that. And then you have a working tornado siren. And so that's how you build it. And I'm going to go turn mine on. It's raining, so there's a tornado coming. Wee woo, wee woo. Wee woo, wee woo. So that's how you make a working tornado siren. So that's it. This is my water fountain tap thing. All right, bye.